TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. As we take a look at the markets, we've got everything mean and green. You've got the Dow trading up 241 points. That's about 0.9% to the upside. S&P up 35, a little over 1%. NASDAQ 100 up 1.5%. She's trading out at 90.86. The Russell's up 14. Semis are up 40. You've got the spot volatility index trading down minus 12.45%. What you're going to watch today is, does the spot volatility index finish below minus 10%? If it does, when you have one-day rate of change, we talked about this yesterday, when you have one-day rate of change greater than 10%, as we did yesterday, it was around 23-24%, the very next session, you will typically see a bounce or bottom. Now, when you see the opposite, which is a one-day rate of change below minus 10%, well, that can be an initiation move to higher prices. Let's take that another step forward out here. Let's go take a look at the chart here, the daily chart for the S&P 500, the cash index out here. We can see that yesterday, what price actually did was it broke through a key level of support. That key level of support is where price actually broke out in the S&P 500, the most recent breakout. And that was a level of 3260.66. If the S&P 500 closes above 3260.66, it says that yesterday's break of that support level was a false break to the downside. And if we go ahead and we couple that with a one-day rate of change below minus 10%, and that potentially be an initiation move, well, what that would do is that would suggest that the S&P 500 would trade up to what I refer to as Stevie's green line. If you watch us on Tiger TV, you'll see that presently is printing out at around 33.17 and change out there. So that would suggest that a rally, counter-trend rally perhaps, maybe not, but at least a further rally. So watch the level of 3260.66 in the S&P 500. Do that in combination with the spot volatility index one-day rate of change, and that will do you some good. If we take a look at the Dow out here, now the Dow also closed below its breakout level yesterday. That's 28,789.10. However, today, and we're getting mixed messages out here, where has price stopped on the bounce inside the Dow? 28,789.10. Something to think about. Folks, stay tuned. I'll be up next doing the next full hour out there. If not, have a terrific Tuesday, and I'll look forward to being with you again soon. Take care, folks.